If you are inherently lazy like me, but you also have the dream of becoming free from your 9-to-5 job so that you can live a life that is more than someone just telling you when you have to wake up, where you have to drive to, when you can take a break and for how long, when you can eat lunch and go home, and how much your time is worth, then affiliate marketing is where it's at, and specifically high-ticket affiliate marketing. The difference between high and low-ticket affiliate marketing is the commission. You can get a $1 commission on a $10 sale from Amazon, but you'll need 1,000 sales per week minimum to make any money. With high-ticket affiliate marketing, you sell a $2,000 product with a 50% commission, and bam, you made $1,000 in one sale. All you need to be able to quit your job is 10 sales per month rather than 10,000 sales. Now, is it easier to make a $10 sale than a $2,000 sale? Yes, of course it is, but it's very possible. There's a lot of people out there that have that money and are willing to spend it on something valuable. So make sure it's valuable and it's real, but it is doable. Okay, so where to start? First, you gotta pick a niche. What are you interested in or an expert at? Because if you don't care about it or you're not at least good at it, then you're gonna get bored. Next, ask, is it evergreen? Meaning, is it something that will always be in demand or is it just a passing fad or trend? For example, evergreen niches include anything to do with health, wellness, relationships, and happiness. Those are always things that will be in demand. Then you just niche down, meaning get more specific. Health is not a good niche to pick. It is insanely broad, which means your competition is going to be way too insane to compete with unless you are a Fortune 500 company. So start to niche down. Natural health is a more specific, and then keep going, niche down again. Natural mental health is even more specific. And then if you can, niche down even one more time. Natural mental health from mushrooms. This is a good niche. It's evergreen. People will always want good mental health, and it's very specific, but not so specific that you won't have enough different material to make content from. You could talk about your favorite mushroom supplements. You could talk about where to find mushrooms. You could talk about mushroom foraging. You could talk about the different kinds of medicinal mushrooms. You could talk about the science of each kind of mushroom. You could get into the geography of where they grow or how to cook them in food. So it's specific, but you have a lot of material to work with, and that is a good niche. Now that you have some ideas for the content you're gonna create, start writing up some scripts or articles, so create the content. I recommend having at least 5 articles or video scripts written up before you post anything, because that's gonna give you some time to stay consistently posting while you come up with other ideas and content to make. Okay, so which platform to create content on first? Make a YouTube channel, obviously. Obviously, I'm gonna recommend that. And before you get nervous, no, you do not have to show your face, although it's easier and it works well. You can make PowerPoints or other graphic videos where you don't have to show your face or even use your voice. And you can just make a video on your smartphone or with the webcam on your laptop. I started with my laptop. I downloaded a screen recording app called Screen Recorder. My niche is how to make money online, specifically doing reviews of courses, teaching you how to make money online. So in my first videos I made, I would do a ton of research to find out the good and the bad about these courses. And then I would write up a script and go to the sales page of the course I was gonna talk about. And the screen recording app has an option for you to have your face down in the corner in like a little box or something so that people can see you talking as well as you're recording your screen. And that's how I would record my first videos. It was mostly just a computer screen with me pointing to different things, and you could see a little piece of my face down in the corner. I would talk about what was included in the course, the pros, the cons. I would go over the costs, show student reviews, and then give my opinion at the end if I thought the course was going to be worth investing in. Then I would post it on YouTube and ask people to like and subscribe if they wanted to see more. And it's really as simple as that, and you just kind of get better and level up as you go. Okay, so the next thing you gotta do is pick an affiliate program or several. So after you've got some content cooking, now you need to know how to make some money from it, right? So there are 2 main ways to do this. One is from YouTube monetization. And in order to have this, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. And then YouTube will let you monetize your channel, meaning every time someone watches your video, you get paid from letting other businesses show their ads during your video. This is completely passive income, and it's how a lot of YouTubers such as Mr. Beast make millions of dollars per month. The other way to make money is through affiliate marketing, meaning you place your affiliate link in the description of your YouTube videos, and every time someone clicks on that link and purchases something, you get paid a commission. So in order to get that custom link that is just yours, so that you can get paid from it, you need to sign up for an affiliate program. All of the evergreen niches have businesses that have affiliate programs. You can literally just go to Google and type in the name of the company or product or niche that you want to work with, and then type affiliate program after it. Then you sign up and they will give you a link to promote their products. For example, let's say you're in the making money online niche like me. You sign up for an affiliate program for an online course called the APPS program, or Automated Profit Partners System. That's the program that I got started with that taught me how to do affiliate marketing and make YouTube channels and stuff like that. It's called APPS. So APPS will give you a custom personal link after you sign up. You post a video about APPS online course and what you like about it and why it's great, and then you put your link in the description. And then every time someone watches your video and clicks on the link to buy the APPS course, you make 50%. So let's say the course costs $200, they buy it and you make $100. Apps is my all-time favorite affiliate marketing and making money online course. It was created by Ron Douglas, who's a colleague of mine now. You can see an interview I did with him on my YouTube channel about being his top affiliate. And the reason that Apps is my favorite is because most extremely high quality, high ticket affiliate programs you have to buy into. So for example, there's an affiliate program called Oasis that costs $5,000 just to get access to. And you also have to have like 100,000 monthly visitors to your website already before they'll even accept you. And then you have to pay, and then you get a list of like all of their high ticket products to promote. Apps is a high ticket affiliate program like this, except you pay a lot less. It's $9.97 with my link, which is 50% off the normal price. And instead of just getting access to their high quality products, you also get all of their sales webinars, you get all of their email copies, you get access to their private Facebook group where you can ask other members and Ron himself questions and get answers. And you get this complete training program on how to start your own affiliate marketing business. So not only does it give you all the products, but it shows you how to actually start the business. Plus, you get 50% commissions on all of the products, and there are currently 19 of them, and they are all priced from like $600 to $1,500, meaning your commission for selling just one is like $300 to $700 for one sale. And they're easy to promote. They are all vetted by Ron himself and are extremely high quality. So you're selling good products that are easy to sell. And even if you only got one sale a week, I mean, would an extra $4,000 a month change your life? Because it did mine. And I will put my link in the description below if you want to check it out. Okay, so now that you have a niche and some content and you have an affiliate program, it's time to scale so that you can go from making one sale per week to 10. Would an extra $40,000 a month change your life? To do this is actually pretty easy. You don't have to create 10 times the amount of content. You just have to repurpose your content onto other platforms. So YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram Reels, a website, Spotify podcast, Twitter, Reddit, Quora, LinkedIn. I mean, that's 12 more platforms that you can put your content on to 12x your sales right there. So you can take that same video you just made on YouTube and edit it to 60 seconds and you just made a YouTube short. And then you can take that same short and post it onto TikTok. Then you can take that TikTok and post it onto Instagram Reels and take the audio from your video and post it to Spotify podcast. Then you can take the long version video and post it on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter and Quora and LinkedIn and all that. So you get what I'm saying. You just took one video and turned it into 12 pieces of content across 12 different platforms. And then you just place your link somewhere on each of those posts and you just 12x your sales. Then you can even go one step further and turn that script into an article. So same thing, but now it's an article instead of a video. And then you can post that article on all those platforms as well. And you just 12x your sales again from one single video. And I don't know why, but that's something that not a lot of the courses teach you how to do. Okay, so now that you've made something like 20 pieces of content from one video, make another video each week and do the same thing. Stay consistent and these platforms will start to take notice. You'll start to build a following and have subscribers. Google and YouTube will take notice and they will regard you as an authority on the subject and they will start to show your content more and more to people. Continue to do this and you'll go viral and bam, you are free to quit your job and do whatever the F you want because you don't have to wake up at a certain time every day to the sound of an alarm clock. You can wake up at 10 a.m. on a beach if you want. You can wake up with your kids and make them breakfast. You can wake up to your hot wife or husband and tell them to quit their job too, because now you got this. And that's what getting free is all about. So if you're interested in learning how to do the same thing that I did and take the same exact course that I took to get started to teach me how to do all this, I will link it in the description below. It's called Apps or Automated Profit Partner System. You can click the link and watch the webinar and it'll give you all the information about the course. And then if you want to buy it at the end, you can. Thanks for tuning in to Get Free with Annie. Go out and get free.